signing is low FX signing in. So right now, like I was saying in the previous video, I'm gonna conjoin that. So right now we already knew that since price has tested this level, let me just expand this level for you. Good, you can see right now. Good, that's what I just wanted you guys to see. Price has tested this level already, and upon this testing we know that now we're expecting price to come to the next level. Where is the next level? It's a question that you have to ask yourself now. Where is the next level? You understand? But a lot of people will be kind of like be confused, because I got some of my guys be thinking maybe price is gonna stop here and move here, but I knew that there was a level, and where will I determine the next level? That's how to identify future. I was now all this while I've been showing you guys historical levels, previous levels. Now I'm teaching you now how to identify future level, because this future level will now determine the current movement of price. You go down to the 1 hour time frame and you're gonna see what I'm talking about. Good. Now we saw that upon the retest of this double bottom, the market gave us a correction pattern, a correction pattern, right? And upon the correction pattern, this was our previous. This was a lower high, lower low, a lower high, lower low, a lower high, and a lower low, and there was a breakout. Upon this breakout, there was no retest. I don't know if you've heard of the no retest no trade rule. It is real. If you are a trader and you still trading without a retest, my bro, it's not good for you, because you've got to. Your retest is a more of a confluence than, is a more of a confirmation than any other thing you can ever imagine in the market. You understand? Please give retest of high premium if you're trading the market. So upon this breakout here to this upside, there was no retest. Simple. So that was where I knew my next level was, not up on this edge here or not here. I knew my retest was here. That's simple. And if you observe what the market is doing right now, this is a live market chart right now. I've still not going into the trade. If you observe what the market is doing right now, two things confirms my entry. Number one, the market is giving us a correction pattern. Very simple. This pattern here is a correction pattern. That's number one. And number two, if you check this impulse from here to here with the Fibonacci, boom, what can we see in the Fibonacci? We can see in the Fibonacci that we have our zone, our reversal points here. Zone 60 is around here. The market currently is in zone 0.5, so zone 0.618 is around here, which is probably going to be, which probably validates this level here. Simple. So that's just my edge. That was my edge on this market. That is currently my edge on this market, and I'm probably gonna get into the trade and probably gonna milk a lot of money from this too. Let me remove this. Good. So let's check the risk to reward on this trade. Currently right now the market has not gone to where I want it to be. Like I said, this zone here is where I want this market to come to, but let's just see what's up, what we're looking at in the zone. Let's say we've got an engulfing around here. Our stop loss, I'm gonna put my stop loss here, probably below the close of the previous candle. Then don't forget we are looking at the overall structure, which is which ends the overall high with take profit 3, yeah, which is here, because the market has touched take profit 1, take profit 2, so it's heading to take profit 3. And don't forget, after every correction there is an impulse. So the impulse value, this impulse, I'm expecting this impulse to break out on this previous high, give me a correction around this zone here, and boom, I'm going to draw the structure for you. But first of all, let me show you. So we are expecting this market to come here. Good. It's probably going to be a 1 to 7, that's probably 1 to 8 risk to trade. You can see that. So the overall analysis on price is this. Price currently is going to get to this point here, going to give us an impulse to the upside, a retest down here to you understand, this is the last zone that is been unretested. We have a first retested zone here, second retested zone here, and third retested zone here, then giving us the overall take profit here. And if you observe, we have a higher low, higher high, higher low, which is here, which is here. This is not gonna make sense to you though. Then the next higher low, which is probably gonna be here. Good. And the next higher low, which is gonna be where? Here. If you see this thing now, you can see that there's a trend here, right? You can see the entire trend here. So let me just see what I can do about that. You can see there's a trend here right now. You understand? So that's it. That's it. That's it right now. We have our higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Probably gonna get to this higher high here, give us a retest here, and take profit hits. The entire trade was about a 1 to 12, but we've gone 1 to 6, 1 to 9. So the last trade, the last pull, the last stretch on this trade is a 1 to 8, is a 1 to 8 week survival trade, and I'm probably gonna be risking about $40 on this trade to $50 to profit over. I'm gonna be scaling in as well as market breaks, continues to break structure. So I'm looking at a minimum of $400 to $600 on just this trade, with just this simple impulse and correction breakout strategy. That's all. It's LowFX signing out.